Packers Jordan 19 here with a box of 2018 Donruss football. You're supposed to expect 2 hits per box, 1 auto, 1 mem. This break's going way back to basically my first group break that I ever did. We've got it was the 2016 Donruss football hobby box, and it was about the same thing. I've learned so much, so much since then, but that was still a fun break, so I'm looking forward to this one. There you go. All right. Oliver Vernon, Sean Lee, Matt Ryan, Tyreek Hill, Ken Anderson, Aaron Donald, Elite Series Matt Ryan, and Jason Kels. Eagles, I get. Oh yeah, that makes sense. It's the Eagles card, but Calvin Ridley and Danny Etling. Danny Etling. Tyler Lockett, Chris Hogan, Josh Doxson, Joe Thomas, Zay Jones, Hunter Henry, Elite Series, Kyle Lituda, Walter Payton Man of the Year, LaDainian Thompson, Jalen Samuels, and Taquan Lewis. Marquise Pouncey, Everson Griffin, Delane Walker, Jared Davis, Justin Tucker, Jason Pierre-Paul. That's nice. DJ Chark, 55 out of 99, rated rookie. Gridiron Kings, AJ Green, Equinemius St. Brown, Duke Dawson. Whoops. Yeah, and I think you get around 3 numbered cards per box. Well, that's probably the hit. One of the hits. DeForest Buckner, Thomas Davis, Teddy Bridgewater, Darius Slay, Travis Kelce. Not bad. That's pretty nice, actually. Khalil Mack, out of 25. Single color. But it's still pretty nice. It's got a nice design, and it's out of 25, so yeah. Just a second. Thanks, guys, for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate all the support and all that. So, thank you, guys. We got Russell Wilson, Steve Largett, Jordan Lazy, and Darren Payne. Ben Roethlisberger, Dalvin Cook, Brett Kern, Eddie Jackson, Terrell Suggs, Jalen Ramsey, Karen Johnson, Todd Gurley, Deshaun Hamilton, and Dylan Cantrell. Alshon Jeffrey, Brett Favre, Jerry Rice, Greg Olsen, Patrick Peterson, Archie Manning. It's a throwback pack right here. Andrew Luck, yeah. Kurt Warner, Dallas Geodirt, and don't even ask. Uchenna Nowusu. Owusu. Yeah. Uchenna Owusu. Fletcher Cox, Devontae Adams, Tariq Cohen, Amir Abdullah, O.J. Howard, Alvin Kamara, Saquon Barkley, rated rookie. It's kind of nice. It's a nice insert. Probably not worth anything, but it's still got a nice design to it. Alvin Kamara, Baker Mayfield, P.J. Hall. Deshaun Watson, Tom Brady, Ezekiel Ansah, Vernon Davis, A.J. McCarron, Marshall Faulk, Carson Wentz, Dominators, Brian Dawkins, Ito Smith, Christopher Hendren IV. Alright, so I mean, like, this isn't necessarily the product you get if you're expecting a ton of hits, but this product's got just some nice cards in it. Like, the design's clean throughout, and they've got nice designs. You get around one insert card per pack, and it's got a pretty nice design on it. So it's pretty good if you're just starting out, and I like it. Amari Cooper, Emmanuel Sanders, Josh McCown, Alex Mack, Jack Doyle, Kenny Stills, Jalen Ramsey, Jerry Rice, Sam Darnold, Jordan Akins. And we've still got one more hit coming up. So, well, probably still got one more hit. You never know with Panini these days. Nick Foles, Clinton Dix, Richard Sherman, Kenny Galladay, Chandler Jones, Mark Ingram, Carlos Hyde, out of 400, Jason Witten, Braxton Berrios, and Deshaun Hand. Yeah, that's just that. Marshawn Lynch, Brennan Marshall, Christian McCaffrey, Robbie Anderson, Adam Vinatieri, Robert Quinn. The test is Joe Thomas. They do this like aqueous test thing. I don't actually think it's real. They just put that on one of the cards. I'm not really sure what it's about. Luke Kuechly, Darius Geis, and Kimoko Turi. So we're about halfway done. Should be expecting that second hit eventually. Could be the last pack, honestly. Antonio Brown, Xavier Rhodes, Ozzie Newsome, Jarrell Casey, Jimmy Smith, Calais Campbell, Patrick Peterson die cut out of 75. Press proof. It's not bad. Josh Rosen, Bo Scarborough, and Troy Fumagalli. Odell Beckham, Jason Witten, Eric Fisher, Tyrannian Matthew, AJ Green, Mike Evans, Randy Moss out of 100, Carl Eller, Callian Ballage, and Tanner Lee. So I guess I was off about there being just 3 numbered cards, and there's probably more. So that's one of the things you got to just look out for if you get one of these. Just make sure you don't look over any numbered cards. I definitely could have, like, not gonna lie. You guys might have seen one already. Frank Blair, Stephon Gilmore, Chris Thompson, Myles Garrett, Charles Clay, Melvin Gordon, So, Chandler Jones, and then John Lynch, Legend Series. This is actually a pretty cool card, the way it is. It's got like a rainbow design to it if you hold it up to the light. That's pretty nice. Mike White, and Jair Alexander. Jay Ajayi, Aaron Jones, Jordan Howard, Kyle Juszczyk, Larry Fitzgerald, Gerald McCoy, Rashad Penny, Roger Steinbeck. It's a pretty nice card too. Denzel Ward and Daniel Carlson. So I'm wondering what kind of auto design we're going to get, because these cards are looking pretty nice. So they could really make an auto. Oh, I think we found it. Macrice Pouncey, Everson Griffin, Alshon Jeffrey, Brett Favre, Amari Cooper. Oh, that's actually pretty solid, not going to lie. Earl Thomas, 5 out of 10. 2 color. Okay. So I'll be honest, I haven't watched any other breaks, but that's a pretty solid card. And we've got that compared to the other one that had the, here, I'll pull that out in just a sec. Once I get this boy in a mag, not in a mag, once I get him in a top loader. So they both have this almost like an artist background, where they've got the just like painting in the back of their colors. So, but these are both really nice, both low numbers. This one's, I would argue, 3 colors, because you got the change in the number color, right? The gray and then the dark gray. But this is definitely from his number. This could have been from, I want to say anywhere, but based on that jersey, it's looking like it would have come from a specific place, but I think this was just a normal color, and this came from a number, in my opinion. So those are both 2 nice cards, both low numbers too, out of 25 and out of 10. That's pretty nice. Melvin Gordon, Julio Jones, Hayden Durst, and Vita Vea. Okay, but not gonna lie, I think that this, why would I lie? I think that, just so you guys know, I'm pretty sure I paid around $70 for this box. So I would expect some quality, but also we all know how that can go. Eli Manning, Matthew Stafford, Desmond Trufant, Sammy Watkins, Carlos Dunlap, Cooper Kupp, Nick Chubbs. Getting some of that Chubbs luck. Chubbs. Steve Young, Kirtland Sutton, Marcel Aitman, Doug Martin, John Elway, Kawasan Short, Canu Neal, Jacoby Brissett, Kenyon Drake, Ronald Jones, Juju Smith-Schuster, Josh Rosen, and Micah Kaiser. Alright, so these are six packs left. 6 packs remaining. Kelechi Osemele, Darian Stewart, Bill Powell, Vic Beasley, LaDainian Thompson, Jason Taylor, David Johnson, Nick Foles, Shaquem Griffin, and Taven Bryan. Walter Jones, Cam Newton, J.J. Watt, Josh Norman, Dorian Thompson, Phillip Rivers, Jimmy Garoppolo, Derek Carr, DJ Moore, and Darius Leonard. I was actually, not going to lie, I was pretty surprised when I pulled out that RPA. I was expecting just another auto. Yeah, that's just whatever. Chris Carson, Devin McCourty, Joe Theismann, Josh Gordon, Kelvin Benjamin, Keenan Allen, Traquan Smith, Darius Geis, Mark Walton, Micah Fitzpatrick, sometimes they put these thick cards, the thick inserts, right in front of a nice card to keep it flat. Lawrence Taylor, DeMarcus Lawrence, Eric Berry, Javion Clowney, Tyler Eifert, Robert Woods, Matt Ryan, Press Proof, Brian Bosworth, Saquon Barkley, and Mike Hughes. All right, 2 more. Ryan Shazier, Harrison Smith, Jarvis Landry, Corey Davis, Jonathan Ogden, Mark Bernal, Lamar Miller, out of 100, Press Proof, Agarian James, John Kelly, Langan Vander Ish. Alright guys, last pack. Thank you for watching. If you're interested, check out some more videos. Let me know what you thought in the comments, and God bless. Thank you. Evan Ingram, Travis Frederick, Patrick Mahomes, Dante Foreman, Kawan Alexander, Todd Gurley, Bobby Wagner, Kareem Hunt, Traquan Smith, and Derwin James. So thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day, and God bless.